Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiad Math Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you very interesting sequence and series question. You can see you can use telescopic series here, right? So these kind of questions, how to approach, that you can see the expression is given to you in the form of P by Q. We need to find the Q minus P they're asking. So what you can do, so first thing, summation n is equal to 1 to 9, 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, right? So what you can do, these kind of questions, very simple. You can see the lowest number here is n, highest number is n plus 2, right? So you have to see the one trick here. The largest minus lowest, you can subtract it. Largest minus lowest term. Lowest term. So what is the largest term? N plus 2 minus n, right? If you subtract these two, so then you will get 2, right? But you can see the difference is 2, but 2 is not there. 1 only is there in the numerator. What we can do for that, you can multiply 2 in the numerator and divide by 2, right? Divided by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, right? Okay. Then you can replace 2 here. So 1 by 2 summation n is equal to, so 1 to 9. Just replace 2 by n plus 2 minus n, right? So just replace here n plus 2 minus n divided by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Clear? I hope all of you understood, right? So just take the largest minus lowest. That is difference is 2. 2 is not there. You multiply 2 and divide by 2. Just replace 2 here is difference of these two numbers. Now you can divide it separately. So what will get? If you divide separately, n is equal to 1 to 9. So n plus 2 divided by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 minus n divided by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Clear? Now you can cancel it, right? So n plus 2 cancel. Here n cancel. Then what is left? So 1 by 2 times summation n is equal to 1 to 9. The first term will be 1 by n into n plus 1 is there. Second term you can see 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2 is there. Clear? Now you can apply the n here. N is 1, 2, 3, you can apply. I will take another page. So 1 by 2 times summation n is equal to 1 to 9. Okay. Then 1 by n into n plus 1 minus, next term is what? 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. N plus 1 into n plus 2. Clear? Now you can apply 1 by 1. Suppose you can take n is equal to 1. Then what will get? N is equal to 1 you can apply. So 1 into 2 minus, so 2 into, you can apply 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 3. This is the first term. The next sum you can see, you can apply 2, here is 3, minus 1 by, here 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4. Right? You can apply the 8th term, you can apply so on. 8th term you can apply 1 by 8 into 9 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 plus 2 is 10. Apply 9 here, last term. 9 into 10 minus 1 by, so 9, 10 into, so 9 plus 2 it is 11. Clear? Now you can see, student, So minus 1 by 6, right? So otherwise you can see 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3. This 2 will be cancelled. You can see everything will be cancelled except first and last. You can see this also cancel. So before term you can see 7 you can take, 6 also you can take. The first and the last only left, remaining everything will be cancelled, right? So therefore 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 110, right? You can take the LCM, 110 you take LCM. So 2 into 55, right, is 110, right? 55 minus 1. So this is same as half times 55 minus 1 will be 54 by 110. So here 1 times, here 27 times. So 27 by 110 is your P by Q, right? So what they're asking actually, Q minus P they're asking. So Q is 110 minus P is 27. So 110 minus 27 will be 83 is your answer. I hope everyone understood this. This is a telescopic series trick actually. The highest minus lowest difference you take. Okay, you can see the first and last term only left, remaining everything will be cancelled. So I hope everyone understood. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe it. So thank you everyone.